Discovery, go and throttle up.
Discovery, roger, go for deploy.
Test-2, and everybody in the shuttle program, the crew is go for launch.
Roger, nice to be in orbit.
We have followed in their footsteps to get us where we are today.
Expedition 67, we are ready to begin the farewell ceremony.
Hey everyone, it is a privilege to be here at the end of our Starliner operations, and to have this opportunity to bid the Starliner farewell as it returns to the Earth with items from space station, with Rosie, and with many successful tests behind it. I have to say how it was just absolutely incredible to see this spacecraft approach the space station. Just a bright point of light 15 kilometers out, and then to have it come in and then hold for several minutes at 10 meters. This opportunity to see this beautiful new spacecraft as it was preparing to dock with the space station. Then we had the opportunity to get into the spacecraft, and what a privilege again to be among the first to enter this brand new spacecraft that very soon will be carrying our colleagues to and from the space station during future missions. And this is really an incredible time, and because not only do we have Starliner docked to Node 2 forward, but we have our Dragon vehicle on Node 2 Zenith, and to have two commercial spacecraft attached to the space station right now is truly an amazing thing, and a testament to this commercial crew program, where we have partnered with commercial companies to leverage their expertise and agility to create systems that will be carrying our crews to and from the space station in the future. It's truly an amazing milestone, and it's a testament to this strategy of partnering with these commercial entities to take over low Earth orbit as NASA directs its attention to the moon and then outward to Mars as we continue to explore the solar system.
Yeah, it's been an honor to get to take part of this, be part of just a tiny cog in the wheel that is the commercial crew program, and the amazing teams that the operational teams, the design teams that have put this vehicle together. It was really cool to kind of be on this end of it and watch the culmination of all of those efforts and all of those activities. So here's to you to all the people that put their hearts and souls into designing and maintaining and building this vehicle. Well done. We were really proud to receive it up here, and we're packing it up and getting ready to send it back to you. And she'll be in as good a shape as she was when she left. We promise. The flight test is a great thing. It is an awesome thing. We learned so much out of these kinds of flight test missions, and so we're really excited to see what the team gleans out of this to continue to improve the vehicle and get it ready for our colleagues that'll be coming up here in the very, very near future.
Check, Mike.
It has certainly been an honor and a privilege to have the Starliner up here docked to space station as part of the OFT-2 mission. And luckily for us, Starliner brought a few different goodies and a special cargo for us. But one really special item that came up with the Starliner was this American flag. And this American flag was given to the Boeing team at the beginning of the commercial crew program when this all started. And this flag will remain up here on the International Space Station until our CFT colleagues come up to the ISS and are able to return with it. We'll keep it in safekeeping, and it will be a reminder to us of the pride that we all share and the notion that we are all part of one team with one goal and one mission, and that it requires a team of people from all different backgrounds and expertise to come together, and when we do that, we can accomplish amazing things. So we are so grateful for this token, and so excited for our colleagues to come up and retrieve it.
Yes, indeed. I think that it's been an exciting and even moving moment to see Starliner dock a few days ago for everybody in the astronaut corps, not only at NASA but really, across the world. Also, the astronauts of the international partner countries and agencies. I think especially moved, of course, were our colleagues who have been working on the Starliner program for a few years now, that are really, really excited to jump in that vehicle and take the place of Rosie the Rocketeer. But equally excited, all the other astronauts, again, both at NASA and in the international partner agencies. And so a big thank you to all the teams who made this possible. On behalf of those future Starliner riders, and a big thank you on behalf, let's say, of the international community, since I'm a VIP astronaut on board at this time. Since the ability of rotating crews on space station is really the foundation of maintaining this amazing facility in low Earth orbit with this incredible capabilities that it offers for both advancing science and technological development.
So with that, we want to thank everyone for their support and really everyone that's been involved in the success of this program. NASA, our commercial partners, Boeing, the commercial crew program, and our international partners. We are very excited to be a part of Starliner's docking and today. Its departure tomorrow, and the future success that it has, bringing our crews, science, and cargo to the space station in the future.
Station, this is Houston ACR. That concludes the event.
Thank you, Expedition 67 crew. Station, we are now resuming operational audio communications.